Okay, I've never been to this part of LA, but look at this. It's kind of like a third world country right here. With all the trash and dumps and homeless people. But right next to the track, we got all the nice cars. Oh, we got the RC car versus the cop. Yeah. We got supercars here and a freaking snake. What?
Wow. Where?
Nice. You never seen an F40 in pink. Look at this. This is sick. F40 wrapped in pink. Some Liberty Walk cars over here. The C8 Corvette. The Huracan. Ticket dismissers. Aventador. Liberty Walk. NSX. With wide body. Just gonna do a quick walk around here at InnoZTag's car event. A lot of white body cars here. R35 C8 Corvette. Couple Liberty Walks, white body.
Like that one. For me real quick. Yo.
Yeah.
Take him there, and then put the black one right there, right in front of those two trucks. And that's it.